We're working on this Mustang for a friend of mine that has Parkinson's. He's not going to be able to drive it unless I get it done. He had somebody else working on it, pulled it away from him because his mobility got real bad. But anyway, I thought I'd do this thing on these funny painter stories. So, yeah, I can paint all kinds of stuff, guys. I can even paint like this. You know, yep, I can do it. So, you guys say I can't spray. You guys are full of shit. So anyway, just wanted to get that out there. But anyway, so I'm going to tell you guys about the story. So I was working on this old lady's house, and and people interviewed me and interviewed another few other painters, and I spoke English, so that's probably why I got the job. And also they said my price was a little higher, of course, that's fine. But but they were really happy with me and everything. And because it was the guy hired me to work on his mom's house. And so, mom's just so happy. She's getting her house painted. Everything's looking good. It's so nice, And I remember I did something inside, something outside, but I remember working on the outside at this time. And I'm out in the backyard working on the fascia and work my way around the house. And she comes out. She goes, "Oh, yeah. Hey, I brought you a snack." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." I'm going, "Oh my God, what the hell is she going to bring me?" Because this old lady was old and she was kind of weird. And I hope I never get this weird when I get old. But anyway, so she brings out the snack. She goes, "Oh, it's the best snack I've ever had. And you're going to really like it. I'm serious. You're not going to think it's very good, but it's really good." And then I'm going, okay. I'm not excited about this. All right. So then all of a sudden she goes, "Hey," she goes, "Oh, here you go." And I look at it, and what's in the bowl is a bowl with cut up apples, which is okay, and bacon. And let me tell you something, guys. That is disgusting. I'm sorry. I had to eat this shit, So I'm sitting there and I'm going, oh, thank you so much. And I'm kind of thinking to myself, almost wanting to laugh. And she's just staring right at me. She's like, "Well, try it. And so I go, "Okay." So yeah, no problem. So I start eating it and I'm just, just barely getting this down, And then as soon as she goes, "Oh, okay," I go, "Well, all right, yeah." She goes, "I got something I got to do real quick." And I go, "Oh, okay, no problem." So I just take this bowl of stuff and kind of walked around like I was eating it, and I went around to the back of the house, back of the garage, and I dumped it in the bushes. It was so bad. I couldn't even eat it. So I came back. She goes, "Oh, you finished the whole thing?" I go, "Yeah, but I'm pretty full now." So anyway, be careful of those snacks from older people. All right. Talk to you in the next video.